Welcome back to Omni Garage. So today I'm going to be walking through how to do a 2 pH wash from Labocosmetica. So here we've got Primis 2.0 and Purifica, the acidic wash. So Omni Garage was sent these products free of charge, and we are affiliated with the House of Rag, so we produce one podcast or video every week, and we also have an affiliate link. Omni Garage, all one word, will save you off 10% at checkout if you're going to shop at the House of Rags. So I did invite Reggie Cox from Labocosmetica in a podcast to come and talk about how to use these products effectively, how to use these products safely. And so today we're going to walk through how to use these products in a 2 pH based wash system on this Range Rover behind me. So this Range Rover has been driven in the wet and the rain for the last couple of weeks. We do have a lot of road grime. We don't have much dirt as say, but we do have that traffic film that is on the bottom of this vehicle. So it'd be interesting to see how we can use these two products together to try and restore back some of the ceramic coating properties on this vehicle. This car is ceramic coated with G-Technic Crystal Serum Ultra, which is topped with EXO. So it'd be really nice to show these products and restore some of those beautiful hydrophobic properties of this vehicle. So very simply put, in Reggie's words, is to mix up in a sprayer a 1 to 10 dilution. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray all the lowers of the vehicle. So you know, the areas that have got high impact of all the dirt and grime, spray this around, and then we're going to then attach our foam cannon nozzle, and we're going to foam the 1 to 10 dilution in here on the vehicle. Give a nice blanket of foam, and we're going to let that sit, dwell, and eat. Then after that has taken place, we're going to rinse the vehicle. And it is that point that we can sort of do the white microfiber test or the tissue test, where we're going to wipe to see if we remove that traffic film off the surface. If we haven't removed the traffic film off the surface, then we can then go into our bucket wash. Whatever is left in the foam cannon, we're going to tip that into the bucket, and we're going to use that as our contact wash. Then once the surface is nice and clean, we're going to assess our hydrophobics. Have we restored the hydrophobics? Do we have some water beading on the surface? Because that traffic film could be masking the ability of the coating to bead and shed the water. And so if at that point we've got the hydrophobics back, then you could probably stop there and say, hey look, I don't need to move on to the Purifica step, to the acid wash step, because I've restored the hydrophobics. But I'm going to continue on and show you that I'm going to then mix up the same dilution. 1 to 10 in the sprayer, I'm going to spray that on, and then I'm going to foam the same 1 to 10 dilution, blanket of foam over the top, and we'll then go into our, we'll dump whatever's left in the bucket and whatever's left in the sprayer into the bucket, and then we'll do our contact wash with the Purifica foam on the surface. So let's get stuck into that. So if I bring you in nice and close, you can already see the Primus on that spray starting to eat away at that dirt and grime. I'm going to spray a blanket of foam over this because it's going to help increase our dwell time on the vehicle. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that dwell, I'm going to let that eat away at all that dirt and grime, and then when there's basically no soap left on the panel, I'm then going to rinse it off, and we're going to see how much cleaning power the pre-spray and the foam did at cleaning off the surface. So you can see I've got a little bit of the 1 to 10 dilution left that I'm going to dump in the bucket, and we're going to use that as our contact wash. So I think you can say here that it's had some pretty decent dwell time on the vehicle. I'm going to rinse this off, and let's see how well it has done at cleaning some of that dirt, especially off the lower half of the vehicle. Okay, so we have now done our first rinse, and I'll show you the results. So we are definitely now a long way down the road of getting a lot of that dirt and grime and traffic film off the surface of the vehicle. So there is still traffic film on there, but we have removed quite a lot of it. So, you know, and we haven't even touched the vehicle yet. So the roof and the hood is always going to look the cleanest, because those are the areas that don't really get hit as much with the traffic film. And then around this side is probably a little bit worse because maybe I didn't spray as much or hit it as well. But you can see we still have a little bit of dirt and grime down the bottom there. The hydrophobics on the hood, I mean, it's always going to look the best there. We come down to these side panels here. We do have some hydrophobics that have improved, but there's still a little bit of sitting water there, and that's because, I'll show you in a minute, but there'll be a little bit of traffic film on there. And here's the other side. The water seems to sit a little bit more around here. So here we have a clean white microfiber. Now, the hydrophobics were on the best because the hood is the lowest impact zone, and it's also because it's got no traffic film on it. We saw we had some hydrophobics on the high part of this door here. Again, a little bit of dirt and grime you can see down there, but not too much. When we come down to the lower part of the door, we still have some traffic film, and that's why we saw the hydrophobics not as good there. I'm going to come around to the other side of the vehicle where you saw there was still quite a bit of film there. Come down to the side, still traffic film. So before we go any further in our 2 pH wash system, we're going to do a bucket wash, our contact wash, with the 1 to 10 dilution that is in this bucket here, and we're going to remove the rest of the traffic film on the vehicle. Reggie told me that because this is an Italian product, we've got to make the cappuccino. Both Primis and Purifica are like shampoo based quality, and so it's absolutely safe to use these in your bucket as your bucket wash. So now that the vehicle is clean, we can now rinse away. Now that the vehicle is clean, let's have a look at the hood hydrophobics. These will be the best because this is the hood, doesn't get hit that much and doesn't get covered in traffic film. Pretty good. Let's do the tissue test. Nice and clean. That is because the vehicle is clean. Let's have a look at the doors. Hydrophobics on the door. Pretty good hydrophobics, and now let's test how clean the rocker is. Nice and clean. We'll come around to the other side. Oh, there's a little speck. Actually, no, what's that? That's fluff. A little bit of fluff. Hydrophobics on the other side. And then a microfiber. That's a bit of fluff down there. Is nice and clean, exactly as you would expect. So what we now have through our cleaning process, we did a 1 to 10 dilution in the spray bottle. We sprayed Primus down. We then did the 1 to 10 dilution, foamed it on, let it dwell, let it eat away, rinsed. You saw that there was some traffic film there and a little bit of improvement of the hydrophobics because a little bit of that traffic film had been removed. But because there was traffic film, we needed to come in with our contact wash. We did that with with Primus in the bucket, and now you can see that we have cleaned the surface, we have removed all the dirt and grime, we have removed the traffic film, and we have got restoration of the hydrophobics of the vehicle. So at this point, if you're in the situation, you would be happy that the hydrophobics of your ceramic coating has been improved, and that you can now drive the vehicle and be happy that that coating will now continue to perform exactly like it did on day one. But because I wanted to show you the 2 pH system, and because you've clicked on this to work out how to do a 2 pH wash, if you had done the first step, if you had done the Primus steps and your hydrophobics of your ceramic coating hadn't been restored, you would then move into the acidic wash, the low pH wash part of the system, and that's what we're going to do here to use Purifica. Now Purifica is an acidic shampoo. It's going to remove the minerals that are on the surface, the minerals that you might find that are clogging up your ceramic coating. This isn't the case in this vehicle. All it needed was a deep clean. We've done that with Primus. But if you had got this far and your hydrophobic properties hadn't been restored, you probably wanted to try the acidic wash to see if you did have minerals clogging up your surface of your ceramic coating, and that's what we're going to do here. We don't need to do it in this case, but I'm going to do that to show you how you would do that if you were in this situation. So here I've got my 1 to 10 dilution of Purifica. I'm going to go around and I'm going to spray the lower parts of the vehicle just like we did with Primus, and then whatever's left in here I'm going to foam on a nice blanket of foam. That's what we've got left, and that's what we're going to use to foam onto the vehicle. And we've sort of got 250 to sort of 300 mil left in the bottle there. That's what we're going to tip in and use in our bucket wash. And what we're going to do this time, which is what we didn't do with the Primus, is that with Purifica, while that foam is still on the surface, that's when we're going to go in straight in and do our bucket wash. And of course we'll keep Reggie happy by making the cappuccino. And in true Omni Garage style, it is starting to rain on this vehicle. Wouldn't be a good Omni Garage video unless I got wet washing a vehicle. And so after you've done cleaning the surface, what you can see is something really cool happen on the surface. Watch these tiny little circles up here. And so what that is in action, the hydrophobic properties of the ceramic coating coming back. And so now we are ready to do our final rinse down. Now, what has been the fear in the past is that people have thought that you needed to do basically a neutralizing wash, a pH neutral soap over the top to neutralize any of the chemicals that are on the surface. That's not necessarily the case now, and Reggie explained that if you do a really nice thorough rinse, that is enough to remove all the chemicals off the surface and prevent anything from happening. So we're going to do a nice thorough rinse, and that will basically conclude our 2 pH wash system. And so what I can show you now is that we have restored the hydrophobic properties of the ceramic coating by going through the 2 pH wash system. So there you go, that is a process that you would take to restore the hydrophobic properties of your ceramic coating using the Labocosmetica 2 pH wash system, using Primis 2.0 followed up by Purifica, the acidic shampoo. And so what I've done is I've really enjoyed sitting down and actually talking to Reggie about the brand of Labocosmetica, how to use these products, how to use them effectively and safely to get the most out of the chemical. And so by doing that, you take a little bit of a step back, you understand the information, and then I feel like the content that you can deliver is a lot better and a lot more accurate than if it was that if I was just to buy the product and have a go myself. And so I hope you guys have really enjoyed me going out and finding that information so that I can give it to you as accurately as possible. That's it from Omni Garage. Stay tuned for next episode, and thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.